How to give access on Google Play Console. A step-by-step guide. First visit play.google.com/app/publish. For your help I put this link in the video description. Now we need to log in. Enter your email. Click the next button. Now enter your password. Click the next button. Now you should be successfully logged in. If needed, select the correct account. This step gets skipped if you only have one account or if an account already got selected. Now you should see the All Apps page. Go to Users and Permissions. If you get this warning, your account doesn't have permission to use this page. You should request the account owner for permission. To check who the account owner is, go to Settings, Developer Account, Account Details. Here we see the email of the account owner. To continue this tutorial we go back to the Users and Permissions page. This time we have permission to use this page. Now it looks like this, no more warning. We click the Invite New Users button. Fill in their email. You have a lot of advanced settings on this page. Don't hesitate to read the pop-up messages that appear when you have your mouse over the question mark icons. You can set permissions specifically to existing apps. Or you can set permissions for your account. This way the new user can also add new apps. Easiest way is to give a user admin access. This way they can do everything you can. If you want to give them specific rights, you can read the description below each item. After selecting Access Permissions, the Invite User button will appear blue. Click it. In the pop-up you need to confirm if you want to send out the invite. Click Send Invite. In the Users and Permissions view, the user will already be added. The user status will show. Invite sent. The user will receive an email from Google Play and they will need to accept the request. That's it, you are done. If this video was useful to you, please like this video. For business inquiries like custom videos or branded videos, check my profile, click About and send me an email.